We're here today visiting our client Grap Brothers to get an understanding of how the secure brand solution has been implemented and get an idea of the uptake of the solution. We're going to hear from several members of the team around the sustainability and security benefits and what that means to Grap Brothers as a whole.
Grap Brothers Group is a third-generation family-owned business. We've been around since 1946. We've developed our services sort of gradually over those years. We're nearly 80 years old now. We offer building services and engineering, food service solutions, we offer security systems, networking and software, and building services maintenance, so a whole plethora of things.
So waste is one of our biggest environmental impacts that we have across our construction sites and across the group. So it's one of the areas that we're always looking at to try and reduce.
This has been a convenient situation for Grap Brothers, because what we now do is we have bags in the offices, so the guys always put workwear on when they're in the office and then head out to site, and then when they come back they take the PPE off, so that's when they can check it, and then they can put them straight in the bags, which then can be removed and disposed of.
So for us, we've made a pledge to be net zero by 2050. So it's all about us finding really easy ways that we can make changes to activities that are already taking place to improve our sustainability. So the tangible carbon emission savings that are provided by Avina are so important for our environmental goals because, as I said, we're on that journey to net zero. So any carbon emissions that we can save through the scheme, they directly impact our performance as a business, and that's only a positive thing.
Avina provides us with an environmental impact statement on a regular basis, and this gives us the carbon emissions associated with the collections and the disposal of the workwear and PPE, so we can directly take those emissions and put them into our Scope 3 calculation, as opposed to having an estimate or a number from previous where it was taken away by the skips.
I think that branding and reputation has a huge impact on the decision, because your logo, that is the face of your brand, so you really have to be in control of where that is, because wherever that is reflecting your business and your brand values. So if that goes wrong, then it all falls apart, and our reputation is built on those brand values. We really pride ourselves on our values as a business, and that's what our clients really appreciate about us, so it plays a huge impact.
The uptake for the Avina system has been fantastic so far. We've done briefings and toolbox talks on how the system works. So whenever you've got workwear, the guys have to be trained in the use of that, and we've just added this bit on now, so the guys now have got a disposal system that works for the guys and the business.
Yeah, so I would recommend this solution to others in our industry and in the different areas we operate as a group. It's been something which has been really easy. It's allowed us to reduce that portion of our carbon footprint and report on it as well. So from a sustainability point of view, I would really recommend.